A quick one, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Plex on Smart TV for free. So you don't need to create an account. And if you want to keep your Plex TV search history, you just need to create an account and it is completely free. So here, I'm going to show you how to use Plex TV on Smart TV for free and how to use the Plex TV activation code to activate your Plex TV using your smartphone. So the first thing you want to do to use Plex TV for free on your Samsung TV is to launch the Plex TV app and then navigate to skip sign up and then select skip sign up. Once you selected skip sign up, you should see the Plex TV coming up and instantly you will be taken to your Plex TV on page on your smart TV. So this is how it's going to look like the first time you launch the Plex TV, and all these TV series or movies can be watched for free. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually use Plex TV on Smart TV and then how to use or how to watch Plex TV movies or series on your Smart TV for free. This Plex TV is completely free for all users and you need to know how to activate it on your Smart TV, or particularly in this video, I'll be making use of the Samsung Smart TV. So this is the Plex TV playing on my Samsung TV. Now, the first thing you want to do to start using Plex TV on your Samsung TV is to go to your Samsung app page, then click on apps, and once you've selected apps, do you see load the Samsung application on your Samsung TV? Then you want to move to the top right where you see search apps, then click on search apps, and here you need to search for Plex TV at the top right there. Then you need to select Plex TV and hit the enter button on your remote control. Enter. Then this will download the Plex TV on your Samsung Smart TV. Then you need to install the Plex TV. Once you've installed the Plex TV, this will launch the Plex TV on your TV for the first time. So you either need to sign up for the Plex account or use Plex TV for free without sign up. Now here I'm going to show you how to sign up Plex on your smartphone. Now, while on the Plex TV page, then you have option to sign into your Plex TV account or sign up for free for your Plex TV account. Now, to sign up for Plex TV account for free, all you need to do is click on sign up free. Once you selected sign up free, you'll be taken to where to sign into your Plex TV account using plex.tv/link and enter the code below, or scan the QR code using your camera with a QR code scanner. So now, to sign into your Plex TV account, you need to enter this on your mobile browser. You'll be prompted. So once you fix it, plex.tv/link, then you need to key in the code on your TV screen. This is what you're going to key in here on your mobile phone. So I'm just going to type this code, and the code is YZ2 and 8. So once you type in the code just like this as it is on your TV screen, the next one to do is you need to click on the link icon or link button. Then code will not found or expired. Sorry, it's YZ. That's YZ. Then link. Then you can see account linked, and instantly you see the Plex TV restarted on your Smart TV, on your Samsung Smart TV. And once you've successfully signed into your Plex TV account, now once you have signed into your Plex TV account, at the top left you see your Plex TV profile automatically created, Plex TV code you provided. So this is how to start using Plex TV on Samsung TV or on your Smart TV. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button, and of course you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.